Hope for Mesothelioma Victims Mesothelioma Legal Guide. When you are facing something as shocking as a mesothelioma diagnosis, you feel the right to seek answers about why you were not warned of the dangers of asbestos, and you have the right to seek reparations for you and your family. If you are a sorrowful family member or executor of the will of a person who has died from asbestos-related disease or mesothelioma, you may be entitled to file a claim as well. Your legal rights. Legal details are justifiably the last thing that someone wants to confront after the initial surprise of an asbestos-related illness. However, taking benefit of your legal rights can produce the necessary funds to finance aggressive treatment, pay off enormous medical bills incurred during diagnosis, and give financial security for your family for years to come. File a mesothelioma lawsuit. Mesothelioma is one of the most terrible, yet preventable, diseases of the last century. Considerable proof has emerged proving that the dangers of asbestos exposure, the only known cause of malignant mesothelioma, have been known since as early as the 1920s. The industry has systematically valued profits over human lives by suppressing such information. This kind of deadly deceit is both immoral and illegal. Mesothelioma lawsuits outline the absolute first step after receiving such an overwhelming diagnosis is to seek expert medical care and a well-built emotional support network to aid in the uphill fight against the disease. Quality health care is vital in helping to manage both the physical symptoms of the disease and the emotional pain that accompanies the fatal illness. However, the next step must be to get in touch with a qualified mesothelioma attorney who is knowledgeable in the complexities of asbestos-related law and who can help make the careless industry take responsibility for their greediness. A successful lawsuit can provide the necessary financial compensation to aid with costly medical bills and to guarantee the financial security of your family in the future. A lawyer specialized in mesothelioma cases will know how to set up and prove a victim's exposure history, which is often important information for a successful lawsuit. Don't let time run out before you battle for what you deserve. Call a lawyer in your state today. File a mesothelioma lawsuit. There are little experiences more shocking than a terminal diagnosis or the unexpected death of a loved one. This is why filing a mesothelioma lawsuit as quickly as possible is so important. Not only does it give victims a concrete way to fight the greediness of the asbestos industry and help bring about methodical change, but it also helps provide monetary security for paying medical bills and to provide for one's family. Speed is crucially important. Not only are victims left with a minuscule amount of time after diagnosis, but statutes of limitations can put off the claim from being filed at all. The right mesothelioma lawyer proving the connection between one's illness and their asbestos exposure is a tricky and time-consuming responsibility. This is why a skilled mesothelioma lawyer is critical in helping sufferers seek and receive fundamental reparations for their suffering. A good mesothelioma attorney understands the unique complexities involved in this sort of lawsuit, as well as asbestos product identification, detailed asbestos-related medical issues, and specific time constraints that narrow the window of chance to file a claim. It's vital to find the right mesothelioma lawyer before your state's statutes of limitations run out, leaving you and your family empty-handed. Make contact with one today. Compensation for mesothelioma victims. If you've been one of the increasing number of victims suffering from a heartbreaking mesothelioma problem or other asbestos-related illness, you have the right to be compensated for your horrifying experience. Though no sum of money can make up for the physical hurt and disturbing turmoil that comes with a deadly illness, you can at least begin to take financial control of growing medical bills, fund aggressive therapy treatment, and provide for your family's safety long after you are gone. About the author, Francisco Rodriguez. Do you need a mesothelioma lawyer? http://www.mesotheliomaattorneyfreeconsultation.com